Mr. President, I rise today on a point of privilege to discuss a matter that arose last week. The origin of this matter runs back the better part of the last decade. After I returned home to Columbus from law school, the issue that really got me involved in local civic affairs was a misuse of 1999 SPLOST dollars in Columbus. $50 million was authorized by the Muskogee County voters to construct a library and a 15.4-acre learning park. In 2006, the Muskogee County School District began to take steps to abandon that learning park. First, the Board of Education said no monies were available. Then, after conducting an open records request, it was revealed that Following an open records request, it was revealed that over $6.1 million in SPLOST dollars remained unspent. The Board of Education's next step was then to invent a needs list to expend those dollars to avoid constructing the learning park. After much debate and discussion, I agreed to represent 6 Muskogee County taxpayers, black and white, male and female, Democrat and Republican, who all objected to this illegal diversion of taxpayer dollars. After being dismissed in the trial court for lack of standing, we appealed, and a unanimous Georgia Supreme Court reversed the dismissal, ultimately leading to a settlement. In the first 47 days of this matter, the Muskogee County School District was charged over $50,000 by their attorneys. I criticized the Muskogee County School District for approving construction of a $31 million central administration building while students were being forced to learn in rundown trailers. And yes, I criticized the Muskogee County School District for their procurement practices, including accepting lavish gifts, including junkets paid for by potential vendors. More recently, there's been criticism of a no-bid sole source contract for legal services that has been renewed without significant review for 63 years. There's some facts about this that I'll briefly review. Over the last 5 years, the Muskogee County School District has paid $669,449 on average in legal fees. By comparison, Henry County Board of Education, whose student population is 26% larger, pays 53% of what the Muskogee County School District pays. Cherokee County is 20% larger, but pays 62% of what the Muskogee County School District pays for attorneys. Houston County is 17% smaller, but the Muskogee County School District pays 766% of what Houston County pays for in legal fees. The reaction of the criticisms that have been lodged against the Muskogee County School District has been to hurl untrue and hurtful accusations at me and others for making warranted criticisms of their failed policies. For some, this is just the way politics is played. But I want every member of this chamber to know I take this office seriously, and I would not do anything to bring discredit on you or this sacred chamber. For some, the notion of ethics in government is an oxymoron to be laughed at and mocked. But for me, the grandson of grocers who counted on their reputation to build their business, and the son of an attorney who built his practice on his reputation, and a victim service officer who works every day helping victims of crime and their families and holds a great public trust, I understand I have only one reputation, and it is a great one that I've inherited. So my message to those who have lost this policy argument and have resorted to gutter tactics to sully my reputation, I will tell you this: I will defend my reputation to the last. I will not be silenced in advocating for the taxpayers of the Senate District 29, and I will not stop fighting for the simple notion of honest, competent, ethical government. Thank you, Mr. President.